Oh my God, it's all happening here. Woo! What's going on, doggies, and welcome back to another video. All right, I'm absolutely fizzing for today. The swell's dropped off and we can finally take out the boats and go for a fish. Now, word on the street is that there's heaps of small tuna getting caught, like 2 to 3 kilo tuna. Yesterday the boys went out and they caught a bag load. So we're down here, we're here early. It's a little bit windy and we're fighting a lot of rain today. So the sun's just popped its beautiful head up over there. We've got these big rain clouds that are just pushing through. But a little bit of wind and a little bit of rain is not going to stop us today. We're getting out there. Hopefully we can put a bend in the noodle rod and woo, I'm frothing for it. So this is our vessel for the day. Look at this beast. Oh, get me out there. So we're just going to wait for this rain to pass and then we are out there chasing little tuna. We're out here, we're doing it. We're fighting the wind, we're fighting the rain. You guys will remember Andy from last time. Yeah, bruh. All the boys are laughing at me because I'm using a PE1 setup, so it's going to be very interesting to see me hook up to a fish. What a wet ride. All right, so we've just pulled up to our first spot and we're just going to float out here. And the boys are saying you see the tuna, they come up and they start busting up on the surface. So while we wait for the bust ups, we are just I'm going to drop the little noodle rod down with a jig and Andy's going to flick around some light gear for some GTs. So hopefully we can turn some fish's heads and bring them into the boat. Let's go, noodle rod, let's go. Whoosh. First drop in the first spot and I've hooked up on the noodle rod. Dude, I caught an octopus on a jig. Oh, there goes the octopus. He was just stuck onto this and he was like walking along and then he just plocked into the water. See ya, buddy. That was epic. So we've just put our lines up and what we're doing, we're just driving along the coast and we're just scanning the ocean. We're looking for any little boils on top of the water, trying to find these tuna. Woo, it's all happening right now. So I think we can see a school of little tuna up here. There's like a big boil on the surface, so we are shooting down there right now. We're making our way. There's another boat there as well. So we are going flat stick right now, heading that way because there's a tuna ball over there. It looks like it anyway. Whoa, this is sick! Oh my God! This is gonna be deadly! Yeah. What? Oh, this is mayhem! Oh, Andy is getting absolutely smoked right now. What? Oh no, left hand! Double! Yeah, brassy! Yeah! Woohoo! Oh my God, it's all happening here. This is crazy. What? The captain's getting absolutely smoked at the back. And he just got this beautiful one. Look at that. Straightened his hook. Woo! Woo! There's the captain's one. Yeah. Yeah, Brussy! Wow, that was insane. I just need time to chill out for a second. That was like chaos just then. I had the noodle rod out. Andy was using my saltiga so that he was winding left-handed, so I tried casting and I can't fish left-handed. So I'm winding like an absolute sped head with the saltiga. Put the noodle rod away. The two boys got a fish each. and I missed out on the school, but that was sick. That was insane. I don't really mind if I don't get a fish because that was just, woo, gets the heart pumping. Yeah, doggies, that's sick. So we're floating around now. The school's gone deep. We're looking for the school. We're trying to find it again, and we'll flick lures. This is living, eh? Alright, we're on our way. We've just found the school of fish. Oh man, this is the most exciting fishing ever. I think there was like big GTs in that school. Oh yes, there's birds diving. Woohoo! It's up here. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's heaps of birds diving. In that school there was big GTs. Those yellowfin trevally that the boys got. There could be anything in there. Oh, here we go. Trust me to get this ugly fish. Yeah.
That's right.
Hey, there he goes. Woo. So I think we're heading in because that storm behind me is about to hit us so hard. This little boat's filling up with water and it's very rough out here. So I think we're gonna head in, maybe wait for it to chill out and head back out again. I'm not sure, but we're getting really slapped around out here now. See that big storm behind me? That is a big ass front coming in. That was such an exciting morning though. Far out. We've only been out here for about an hour, so that was really fun. Alright, we're coming in. Here we go. What a morning! That was so sick. Look at these waves. Yeah, big dog's got to eat. Well. Let that be a lesson to each and every one of you. If you ever go fishing, be prepared. Because I did not expect for that big school of yellowfin trevally to be that big and that thick. I went out there assuming I was going to get 2 to 3 kilo little tuna and have fun on the noodle. So unfortunately I didn't have my big rod set up in time, so I was falafeling about, and by the time I got my rod ready and the boys got their fish in, those fish went down deep and this massive front has come in now, and it's like that boat was filling up with water and we're getting belted, man. That storm is coming this way and we are going to get absolutely soaked. And here we go. Change of location. I was lucky enough to score myself a yellowfin trevally. So here we are. The captain was nice enough to give me his fish because he has a whole entire esky full of tuna, and he said, mate, I got way too much food, so you can have this one. Absolute legend. So I've just pulled over on a creek. I'm not really sure what this creek is, but it looks pretty beautiful. A little bit of a mangrove system, and I'm gonna rip some slabs off this guy because it's in the sun and it's not good, and I'm gonna cook a piece. I reckon this little area here is pretty bloody good for cooking up this fish. Look at this, this is perfect. But what's really perfect is this. Look at that. As if that's not going to be my filleting board. Don't you just love it when things work out? Things go to plan? Look at that, mate. Just got myself a perfect filleting board. Ah, what a morning, hey? So I've come down here and I'm trying to escape the wind because now it is blowing its tits off. The sky has gotten nice and blue, but it is really windy now. So I'm treating myself with a cold beer at lunchtime. My God, what a beautiful sight. Come here, big dog. Oh wow, it's got ants all over it already. Here we go. Let's rip some fillets off this and cook them up. I can't wait. So, I feel like a little bit of a loser because I didn't even catch this fish. And I'm gonna cook it and eat it right now on the side of the highway. I just had this fish hanging off my handlebars, hanging like this off my handlebars on my scooter driving down the highway, and I was getting the funniest looks from people. Like, it's actually quite funny. There's people taking photos of me and stuff. Probably thinking, what a weirdo. Let's rip a couple of slabs off this. Pretty excited. Even though I didn't catch him, still gonna taste it alright. Look at this. Beautiful meat. This is the first time ever that I think I've filleted someone else's fish. It's not a great feeling, but having a look at this meat makes me feel pretty good because it's beautiful looking meat. There we go. Look at this. Look at that. 2 beautiful fillets. This thing was swimming around in the ocean about 2 hours ago, so it doesn't get much fresher than this. I do feel like a little bit of a loser because I didn't actually catch this fish. But you know, sharing's caring, and that guy was an absolute legend, and I need some fish. I'm actually starving right now, so we're gonna eat this. Woo, it's getting hot in here. So before we cook up this fish, which I'm really bloody excited about, I want to cut up this fella's stomach and see what he's been eating, because if you can see in that footage from earlier today, those yellowfin trevally were just booming fish off the surface. Like, that was insane. We were so excited, like we were shaking. I didn't even get a fish, I didn't even care. I was absolutely fizzing at that point in time. It was very, very exciting. That's why I love fishing. That's why I love doing this shit, man. Look at this. This is why I love it. It's exciting, it's the best. Anyway, let's dig into his stomach and have a look. What's he got in here? Not a lot by the feel of it. His stomach it's not empty, but it's got a lot of processed fish in there. Little bones. Smells absolutely delightful. I might use this as a dipping sauce. Not. Stinks, man. But yeah, that's all he's got in his stomach. So, it's not what I would have thought. Anyway, we're gonna take the wings off this fish later. We'll take that side off there. I'm gonna keep his head, and I'm gonna make a soup at home. Beautiful. Lots of meat in his cheekbone here. There's actually a lot of meat in a fish's head, so we'll take that home with us later. All right, so here we have absolutely beautiful chunks of fish. So I'm gonna cook all these up because I'm starving right now. But what I want to show you guys is this. This thing here, I am stepping it up in the world. Check out this. Boom. If you guys watch my videos, it's been raining a lot here, and I'm struggling to start fires and cook food in the bush. And that's the #1 thing that I love doing, is just coming out here and doing that. So I've got this. If you don't know what this is a mad little contraption. All you do is boost a gas bottle in it, turn on the gas. Holy shit, there we go. This is my first time I've ever lit it. That's hectic. And that is on, we're on. So this thing here like deflects the wind. I'm getting all fancy. I've got a frying pan. Look at this. We'll go a bit more, eh? My body's a temple. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Got a little bit of a seasoning in this bag. Holy moly, that's hot. Chuck our fish in there. Don't be scared. A little bit of sand, never hurt anyone. Boom, just like that. Here we go. Holy dooly, deep fried fish. Oh yeah. Look at this. Check this out. This is like popcorn chicken fish style. Look at that. Is that not the best thing you've ever seen? My God. Oh yeah. I'm gonna give it a little bit more. I want this to be like crunchy and yeah, you know. What a fun morning that was. We're only out there for about an hour, I think an hour and a half or something. Unfortunately, that storm was coming in and it was just getting like, yeah, it was getting gnarly. That boat was filling up with water. Like seriously, there would have been about that much water throughout the whole boat. Like it was filling up. But it was, yeah, it was fun. I love that kind of stuff, man. I'm definitely gonna go back there. Me and Andy said we're shooting back there as soon as we get good weather because we want to chase them tuna on extra light gear. Like that's our goal. But this is a bycatch, man. This is how good. I didn't even catch this. I got given this fish. So thank you to that captain. You're a legend. Due to my fluffling around in the boat, I didn't get any fish. But hey, that's living. That's fishing. I'm not complaining. Even if I don't catch a fish, still a sick day. So I'll tell you what, fish does not come much fresher than this. Fish doesn't come much sandier than that. It's all right, we'll eat him. Don't waste beautiful produce like this. Like I said, this fish was literally swimming around 2 hours ago. And now it is about to get eaten with a cold beer. Does it get any better than that? Woo. That's hot. Here goes nothing. The first bit of fish cooked on our new stove. Look at this, it's golden, it's crunchy. That is, oh my God. It's actually like popcorn chicken. That is f***ing amazing. Wow. Look at this, man. Doesn't really get any better, eh? All right, doggies, I'm out of here. Thank you so much for watching. Smash that subscribe button if you haven't already, if you want to see more. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Much love. Yo! All right, now that I've eaten me bloody fish, I'm gonna take the head off of this spine. We're gonna take this head home and make a beautiful fish soup. Look at that, it's gonna be real good. I can't wait.